In this video, I'm going to show you how to unarchive post that you recently moved to archive, okay? Can't remember to watch this video until the very end so you don't miss any step, okay? And of course, if you find this video helpful, just give me a like for the algorithm, okay? Let's get started without wasting so much time, okay? Click on the Facebook application. Now, refresh the Facebook app. Then click on your profile picture. Now, click on your name. For instance, here, my name is Weekly for Chengo. This is the name on my profile. Click on it. Then you'll want to click on these three dots here. Just be very careful to follow every step, okay? Then you'll see the place for archive somewhere here. This one, locate it. Then this is my archive here. Remember, moving posts, photos, or other items to archive is a way for you to save things you no longer want to show on your profile. But here is a post that I recently moved to archive, but I want to restore it. Click on these three dots here. Then you want to restore it to profile. You are given three options. You can restore it to profile, move to bin, or view it. But you want to unarchive it so it can go back to our profile. Click on restore to profile. Then we restore our post. Allow it to load. Okay, the post has been restored to our profile. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.